exciting. The forest is fun. Look at the map. Let's find this cabin. Can I carry the map? We walk north. What? Has Einstein got a yo-yo? Yes, he has. Oh no! Look at Sam's things. Let me help you, Sam. My backpack is old. Put Sam's things in my backpack. Sam, your sweater. Oh no! Now I've got a wet sweater. Here, put on my dry jacket. Thanks, Marie. Oh no! The map! How can we find the cabin? What can we do? Let's go back to the campground. Don't worry. Have you got a compass, Debbie? Yes, I have. Here you are. Look over there, everyone. It's the cabin. Cool. You're amazing, Sam. Well done, everyone. Look, Atomic is thirsty. And I'm hungry.